Hi, welcome back to another episode of Joe Vegan. Now, if a raw vegan diet doesn't sound that appealing to you, this recipe is for you. The BBQ Mac Cheese burrito. So, the first thing I'll do, I've already got my peeled, rinsed carrots. I've got 3 of them. We'll chop these ends off. We don't need those. Those are nasty. Gone. And then we'll dice these guys up. Once I've chopped these sons of guns up, I'm gonna put them in this boiling water for 10 minutes. Let's get to chopping. Now, as I mentioned, I've already got this water boiling. I'll drop these carrots in. There we go. Voila, we'll cook them for 10 minutes. Don't you go anywhere. Now, oddly enough, these soy curls also take 10 minutes to soak in water. So we'll open up this bag, we'll soak these soy curls here in water for 10 minutes, and these should be done about the same time, so we'll go from there. How about that? Soy curls and water are in the bowl. We're gonna cover them up. While the soy curls and carrots are doing their thing for 10 minutes, I've got some water on another pot boiling, or getting ready to boil rather, for my macaroni. I've got some elbow macaroni here. You can do whatever you like. This usually works pretty good for the situation, so we'll use this. Yo, we've hit 10 minutes on our carrots and our soy curls. I think it's about time we drain them. Fantastic. Our soy curls are rinsed and ready to go. We'll put them in this pan here on medium heat until lightly browned, and we'll add our barbecue sauce. Even those bad boys out. Let's pour in our barbecue sauce. Now, being the Kansas City man that I am, I'm partial to Gates barbecue sauce. It is delightful, but wherever you're from or whatever you're into, just add your favorite barbecue sauce. Just know that it's not better than Gates. I'll stir that in. Now, this part's gonna get a little interesting. Normal people have a blender. I don't. I've got this little guy. So I'm going to put the carrots into that with some of the other ingredients, blend that up, and then add my water and flour and other things back into my pot of water here to mix it all back up together. So let's try that. Let's see what happens. Lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, onion powder, and salt. This recipe calls for 4 cups of water for this sauce. I'll use one of the cups to put some liquid in here to help this blend a little easier. There it is, okay. Look, I've made a mess. Okay, let's do this. That wasn't so bad. I've got this pot here on a low simmering heat. We'll pour this carrot mix into that, and then we'll add our other 3 cups of water, as well as our flour. A 1, a 2, 3. I see you back there, soy curls. Let's dump this macaroni in, the whole gosh dang box. Now I've got a couple seconds left before I drain the pasta and add the sauce and the soy curls, so I think I'll use this opportunity for a knowledge drop. You may be wondering, what are soy curls? I'm here to tell you that soy curls are a soybean. That's it. So basically there's one brand that even makes these, so they might be a little bit difficult to find, but essentially what it is a non-GMO soybean that has been fully cooked and then dehydrated so that you can freeze it or whatever you'd like, to then be rehydrated like we just did for 10 minutes while we soaked it in water, so that you can use it for a meat replacement. It's very similar to seitan, tempeh, all that good stuff. So you should do your research and check it out. I think we're ready at this point to drain our pasta. Pasta drained, so of course now we'll add our cheese sauce. Now's the fun part. We're gonna mix it all together and put it in a pan. So we'll turn this on to medium heat. So we can sear these here. We add a little bit of olive oil to the pan. That should be plenty there. Then we'll add our ingredients here, our mac and our soy curls. Perfect. You don't want too much because you want to be able to close them. Probably plenty. I don't know if you're like me, but if you go to Chipotle and they put all your ingredients in separate and then you bite into it and it's not consistent, it's just gross. No one likes that. So we'll go ahead and mix this up a tad. And you'll fold the bottoms in, or top and bottom in first. We'll try to wrap this around like that. This is one jam-packed burrito here. Hopefully this next phase of the recipe here will help seal this closed, because this is gnarly. And we'll add it to the pan, sear this a little bit. Hopefully that'll close it up. I think it's safe to flip this over now. And there we have it, ladies and gentlemen, the vegan barbecue mac and cheese burrito. Thank you all very much for watching this episode. There'll be more to come. If you have anything you'd like me to try or any questions you want to ask, please feel free to shoot me an email over at joevegankc@gmail.com. That's JOEVEGANKC@gmail.com. And until next time, happy eating.